Good day mga ka-adventure, I hope everything is well sa inyong lahat at sa mga subscriber natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating YouTube channel. So welcome po sa inyo. Sa araw na ito ay usapang motorsiklo na naman tayo. For today's video ay pag-uusapan natin ang off-road bike na affordable sa ating mga Filipino. Ito ay ang Yamaha XTZ 125. For those mga ka-adventure natin dyan na mahilig sa off-road na motorsiklo, ito ang motor na nababagay sa iyo na napaka-affordable sa presyo at sa quality na pagkagawa ng Yamaha. Without further ado, simulan na natin ang ating kwentuhan sa presyo, features, specs and benefits ng motor na ito. XTZ 125 is designed to be versatile at reliable na partner para sa trabaho, transport, deliveries and business rounds or pang-personal way of commuting. Dala nito ang agile handling at comfortable ride from balancing kombinasyon of a lightweight body and a deep torque o hatak at mai-enjoy mo ang pakiramdam ng acceleration ng makina dahil ito ay may 125cc na engine. Ito ay pwede mong gamitin sa ride out of town or sa mga rural countryside areas. Maganda ito sa paved or unpaved roads. Mararamdaman mo ang lakas, magandang handling, cornering and stopping performance na gusto mo sa isang motor, lalo na sa Yamaha XTZ 125. In which, in my honest opinion, is I can give you the story of having XTZ 125 dahil I personally owned one at gamit ko ito sa araw-araw sa trabaho at lalo na papuntang farm. Usapang presyo naman tayo. XTZ 125 comes with a very affordable price of 88,000 pesos only. With this tough build and performance is napakasulit na sa presyo na ito. Kasama na dito ang 3 years LTO registration, kasama na rin ang 3 years TPL insurance, at meron na itong 1 year warranty sa engine. Specification and features. Engine is a 125cc with internal balancer with a maximum power of 10 horsepower. Meron itong manual transmission of 5-speed with air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine and 9.9 Nm torque at 6,500 RPM. So meron itong new graphics. 2024 models comes with a new design. An impression of performance that rules the off-road. So meron itong astig na decals. When it comes to seat, it features a wide thick cushion allowing dual purpose for road and off-road travel. XTZ 125 is a 2-seater motorcycle. Suspension system includes durable front fork na very well suited sa off-road riding. Rear suspension is monocross na very superb in riding off-road condition terrain. Meron din itong carrier na very convenient, ensures your cargo is safe. Ang motor na ito ay dinisenyo para sa kargahan with a dirt bike features. Meter panel, a simple but stylish design, providing clear readings for night rides, includes turn signals, high beam indicators, plus neutral lamp. While ang headlight naman ito ay may good visibility with a bright white light system with plastic lens and a halogen bulb at may stylish headlight cover. Ang fuel tank capacity is 11 liters na very suited for its purpose of doing off-road. Starting system is electrical starter and kickstarter, while the fuel system is carburetor na diaphragm type. Front brake is hydraulic single disc brake, while ang rear brake is a mechanical drum brake. Ang ignition system naman ito is CDI or capacitor discharge ignition. Meron itong seat height na 840 mm, minimum ground clearance 260 mm, at meron itong wet weight na 118 kilograms. So kasama na dito ang engine oil at puno yung fuel tank. Meron tayong dalawang color variant of your choice na pwede mong pagpilian. Merong Yamaha Blue at meron ding Yamaha Black. So going tayo doon sa overall review for XTZ 125. Impression is very superb sa affordable price with its built and designed by Yamaha. Is napakasuited na motor na ito para sa ating mga Filipino, especially with our off-road conditions sa Pilipinas and the terrain as well. So suited very well sa weather condition natin, lalo na pag may baha at malakas na ulan. With its height, kayang-kaya niya ang wet condition ng panahon. XTZ125 is a very versatile dual sport motorcycle that has earned the local off-roading community approval. It was purposely engineered for your off-road adventures dahil sa napakagandang suspension system nito. Sa mga ka-adventures natin na interesado sa Yamaha XTZ125, you may visit your nearest Yamaha Trias shop in your location or your nearest motorcycle dealers in your area for more information about our featured motorcycle today. So you may drop your comments below for any inquiries and related questions at atin po itong sasagutin, mapa-technical man or usapang installment plans. I hope na paabot ko sa inyo ang mga basic information sa Yamaha XTZ125 at meron po kayong nakuhang kaalaman sa motorsiklo na ito. So marami pong salamat sa panonood ng ating video at sana ay na-enjoy po kayo sa ating featured motorcycle unit. Sa wala pa po sa YouTube channel natin, please like, subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the video updates as well. So hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat po sa panonood mga ka-adventure. God bless po sa inyong lahat and ride safe.